How to do simple card magic tricks. For the first trick, remove any 21 cards from the deck and remove the remaining deck away. For this trick, you'll be able to find a random card a person picks without looking at it. Have a person pick and look at a random card, but you do not look at it. Have them put the card back anywhere in the deck and let them shuffle it. Then distribute the 21 cards into 3 piles face up. Once done, have them pick to the pile their card is in. Here it's this one. The pile they choose, put that in the middle between the other 2 piles. And repeat this 2 more times. On the third and final time, again they'll point to the pile that has a card, and again put that pile in the center. Then distribute the cards 1 more time, and the 11th card will be their card. For the second trick, remove the base cards for the clubs, hearts, and diamonds. For this trick, you're basically going to shuffle these 9 cards together and then put them back in their respective suits. Turn the cards over. Now distribute each pile into 3 new piles. Stack the cards in any order. Now cut the deck as many times as you want. Pick up the cards and distribute them into 2 piles. Pick up the piles in any order. Now you're going to spell out club, heart, and diamond to put the cards down. First put the cards down right to left. C, L, U, B, H, E, A, R, T, D, I, A, M, O, N, D. Repeat the spelling, but now put the cards down left to right. With 3 cards left, simply put them left to right again. Now turn the cards over. For the last trick, again, have a person take any random card from the deck, have them memorize it, but you don't look at it, and then have them put the card on top of the deck. Basically, you're going to try to guess their card out of thin air. Put the deck behind your back. Tell them to focus hard on the card. At the same time, with the deck behind your back, flip the top card over. Bring the deck from behind your back, but be careful to not show them the top card is flipped over. Have them paint a mental image onto the deck using their mind. At the same time, you can now see their top card flipped over. Now remove the deck back behind your back. Now try to guess their card and flip the top card back over. And that's how to do simple card magic tricks.